Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Printful, print-on-demand and dropshipping app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Printful is a print-on-demand and dropshipping app designed to help entrepreneurs, designers, and businesses create and sell custom products online without handling inventory. It allows users to design and sell items like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters, and accessories, while Printful handles everything from printing to packaging and worldwide shipping. The app integrates seamlessly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, Wix, and WooCommerce, making it simple to launch a store in minutes. The app's main feature is its mock-up generator, which lets you design products with your artwork and preview them before adding them to your online store. Printful automatically syncs product details, manages orders, and fulfills them on your behalf. It also offers branding options like custom packaging slips and labels to help sellers create a professional, consistent brand image. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Printful's high-quality printing, fast order processing, and global fulfillment network, which ensures reliable shipping to customers across different regions. The user interface is clean, and the automation tools save time for both beginners and experienced e-commerce sellers. It's especially popular among small business owners, artists, and influencers looking to sell personalized merchandise without upfront costs. However, there are a few drawbacks. The app's product prices can be higher than bulk manufacturers, which may affect profit margins for sellers. Some users also mention variable shipping times depending on the customer's location. While the platform is user-friendly, complete beginners might need time to understand pricing strategies and product customization. In summary, the Printful app may be worth using if you're an entrepreneur or creator looking for a reliable, no-inventory solution to start selling custom products online. However, if you prefer full control over production or want higher profit margins, managing your own printing process might suit you better. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.